Okay, so this is the graphing page. There are two different graphing pages. If your graphing worksheet does not look like this, then refer to the other video. So for graphing today, we're going to look at the instructions at the top. It says, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. Number 2, answer the questions about the graph. So we're going to complete this, then we're going to complete this part. So it says count the number. We're going to count how many symbols are in each row, and then we're going to put the number over here. The first symbols are planes. Planes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 planes. So we're going to put the number 6. Flood. The next word is flood. Flood is when there's so much rain and water that it gets into your home, or it like rises very high so that it like can ruin the streets and the businesses and stores and homes. How many floods do we have? We have 1, 2, just 2 floods.
2.
Our next word is storm. Storm is when sometimes we hear thunder, we hear lightning, it's raining, it's kind of just dreary weather. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Our next word is wildfire. Wildfire. So wildfire is when there's a big fire, usually in like a forest or somewhere that is has a lot of trees or grass. Those burn very quickly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wildfires. Our last word is speech. So that's when we're giving a speech to, like speaking to a large crowd of people. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 speeches.
8.
All right, so to review, planes have 6, flood has 2, storm has 4, wildfire has 5, speech has 8. So now we're going to answer the 5 questions that we have here. Number 1 says, which word has the most symbols? So which word has the most symbols? Is it wildfire, speech, or plane? So we have wildfire has 5, speech has 8, plane has 6. So which one has the highest? Wildfire, well, let's go down here. Plane, wildfire, or speech? I'll give you a moment to answer the question before I answer it. Speech, because speech has 8.
Speech.
Okay. Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? Is it storm, wildfire, or flood? So storm has 4, wildfire has 5, flood has 2. So remember, this one we're looking for the fewest amount. The answer is flood, because flood only has 2. So that's the least amount.
Flood.
Number 3, what is the highest number? So the highest. 4, 5, or 8. Which number is the highest? The most. The answer is 8.
8.
8 is the highest. Number 4, what is the lowest? Is the lowest number 2, 6, or 4? The lowest number is 2.
2.
And then number 5, do any words have the same number? So do any of these words have the same number? We have 6, 2, 4, 5, and 8. Are any of those the same? No, none of them are the same.
No.